In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade image in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to make an image smoothly appear on a slide using the built-in animation tools and how to quickly preview the effects so you can keep designing with confidence. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. On the homepage, look for the section labeled Recent Presentations. This area shows decks you've worked on lately. Click the one you want to edit so it opens in the editor. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide that contains the image you want to animate and click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline and sizing handles around it. This is important because the animation you add will apply to whatever is selected. If nothing is selected, the animation panel won't target your image. With the image selected, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. From that menu, choose Animation. This opens the Animations, sometimes called the Motion, panel on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you control how objects enter, exit, or emphasize on the slide. In the panel, you'll likely see an effect set to appear by default. Click that effect drop-down and change it to Fade In if you want the image to gently show up as you present. Fade In creates a smooth, professional entrance and is great for guiding attention. If you're experimenting, you can also see Fade Out in the same list, which does the opposite by gently disappearing the image, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with Fade In. After choosing Fade In, take a moment to glance at the other options in the panel. You'll typically see a setting that controls when the animation starts, such as on-click, and a speed control to make the fade faster or slower. The defaults work well for most slides, so you can leave them as is if you're unsure. Now preview your work. In the animation panel, click play. Google Slides will simulate the slide so you can watch your image fade in and to confirm it looks the way you expect. If the fade feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed later and preview again until it matches your style. That's it. You opened your presentation, selected the image, went to Insert, opened Animation, changed the effect to Fade In, and used Play to preview. Save your deck, and your image is ready to fade in smoothly during your presentation.